ladies, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on Jessemade Jewelry. Jessemade Jewelry is actually a company where you can get affordable jewelry, you know, sterling silver, personalized name necklaces, personalized named bracelets, personalized named anklets. Also, just very affordable, y'all. I'm telling you, it's so... What's going on with my hair? Okay. It's very, very affordable. I'm telling you. So I was contacted by them to, you know, just try out some of their jewelry. And I went to the website and I was like, okay, we can do this. So originally I was supposed to pick out 6 items, but I picked out only 4 items. Y'all, they're affordable. I'm telling you. So what I did was actually went to their website. That way you can be able to see some of these things that they do have. And I'm telling you, it's really nice. Really nice. So it says, Jessemade, don't ever forget that you're amazing. And if you do, come back and I'll remind you again, okay? So these cards right here came in each and every packet that I had. For each and every packet that I had, the boxes that I had, let's say that. And actually they give you a cloth to clean your jewelry with. We have some sterling silver, y'all. We have some other types of jewelry. They have gold, they have sterling silver. They have a lot of different styles of bracelets, personalized name necklaces, all of that good stuff. So let me just go ahead on and be quiet and get into it. So this right here is actually the boxes that they come in. It's information on that side. We're not going to show you, okay? So the boxes are just so dainty, so cute. I don't know what's in this box yet. So basically, I just popped it open and I said, you know what? I'm going to wait. That way I can see with you guys what this is. I don't know what it is yet. So this is my first time opening it. Okay, so the first item we have is, let's see. Okay, so they come in like a little packet. Okay, it has like little velvety something. That's cute. It's like they're mindful, but this is like brown and, you know, it's cute. It's a cute little box. It's not like something very extravagant, but it's cute. So on here, it has like some numbers in a skew. And this one, I'm thinking, is my Xfinity one. Xfinity, is this my bracelet or... Okay, this is my bracelet. And this looks like this right here. It has like little crystal thingies in there. It's really cute, y'all. Really, really cute. Really cute. Can you see that? Let me put it really close. Hopefully you can, yes, you can see it now. Really cute. Oh my goodness. It have like a little heart on it right here. I think this is gorgeous. And the detailing is really cute. It's a heart at the end. So I'm going to go ahead on and put this one on. This is cute. Okay, I can't put it on this one, but I didn't put no jewelry on. Y'all know usually I wear my necklaces, but I was like, honey, I'm getting ready to try on my jewelry. So I really don't want to put on anything like that. That way I can be able to show you all. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is like gorgeous. And it comes with like an extender. Now y'all have to give me a minute. Let me just come back and I will show you what it look like once I put it on, because I'm not gonna sit on camera trying to do this. Okay, babes, if you can see, this is what she looks like. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Look at that. That is like totally like gorgeous. And it has like the extender right here. So what I'll do as I'm going, I will put whatever it is that I'm wearing on the, y'all, I got it on back because it keep flipping because I don't have nobody to help me with this, but it's really pretty. It goes tighter than this, but I just can't get anybody to help me because nobody's here but me. Okay, and my son's in school, so I can't bother him. But what I'll do is put it on the screen, whatever it is that I have on. This is like gorgeous. It has like the little crystals in it, honey. And I think this is a sterling silver one. I'm not sure, but I will let you know what it is. Okay, moving on to the next one. I will have the price down and what it is, and I will also have what the bracelet is, okay? And we have the next box. So this one right here, I wish that I need to have tighter. It's not tight on me because, like I said, I don't have anybody to help me. So this one right here, it is $9.25, which is sterling silver, and I will have the price on it. Honey, this is very inexpensive, okay? I just checked the website again, very inexpensive. Okay, so the next item I have is the, what is this? Okay, this also comes packaged by itself. And this is, oh my goodness. Yo, that's my first time seeing this. It's like, this y'all first, they got it in here like this. I guess maybe they have it like this so it don't get tangled. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Y'all look. That says J Baby. That's what that says, J Baby. And this is the sterling silver one, J Baby. I've never had a name necklace before. OMG. Okay. Let's move the hair out the way, honey, because we need to try this on. Oh my goodness, it is made so cute. Oh my goodness. I don't know what length it is though. But I know they have it on there where though you can give your what you want. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm hoping that I get it together the first time. Oh, I hate this when I cannot put something on when I want it on. So, got it. Oh my goodness, she is so dainty and so cute. Let me bring y'all, you know what, let me kind of like come to y'all. OMG, this is beautiful and dainty. I never had a necklace like this before. I hope I ain't going on backwards. No. This is cute. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Jessemade, for sending me. I don't have it on backwards, do I, y'all? Oh my goodness, y'all. I am like super excited. It's so dainty though. I'm like one of the ones that like big jumbo necklaces, but I guess I need to change that. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look at this. That is like really gorgeous. Y'all, that's the name necklace right there, which I got was J Baby. So moving on, y'all. This feels like Christmas, okay? This feels like Christmas, so I'm going to keep my hair back there. Hope I don't get it caught on that fire. Okay, so the next one is, I'm excited, y'all, because I don't know. The next one is, let's do this one. I think this one is my anklet. I'll do my anklet last. Okay, and this one is packaged like so. So, this next one is, oh, it's the 2 hearts. This is a 2 heart bracelet that I had got. And it has on there Janet, which is me. Don't y'all be calling me Janet, okay? Don't call me by my government. Okay, and this one has DeLonzo. And you can see I have DeLonzo right across here. So this one is Janet and DeLonzo. You see how that's made? I don't know if you can see this good or not, but hunty, do you see this? This is gorgeous. Let me just hold it like this. Do you see that? The names is on it. You have DeLonzo and you have Janet. Oh. Yeah, I'm such a little girl. At heart. At heart only. At heart only. Y'all, okay, I got it backwards. I hate when I cannot do this. But that's because like I said, I'm here by myself, y'all, trying to get. Oh my goodness. Let me be back, y'all, okay? I got it. Okay, so this is the heart one right here. That has DeLonzo and Janet. And this one is my Xfinity bracelet right here. And yes, I have a lot of hang time because, like I said, I cannot get it on. But this is what this looks like. Oh my goodness. And then my necklace is super cute, y'all. Oh my. Okay, so let's go ahead on and move on to the next one. I don't think she gave me a coupon code, y'all, but think about it. This, if I show you the prices, which I am going to show you the prices, I'm going to show you where I went on the website. If you see the prices, you don't need a discount code. You don't need it. Trust me, you don't need a discount code. If you need a discount code, no. No. Oh my. Okay. This is like a iced out J or something like that. It says J. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is cute. This is so cute. Okay, this go for the anklet. So, honey, this is so cute. It has like a little heart on the end of it right there. This is cute. Do y'all see this? Oh my goodness, honey. And then my bracelets. Y'all, I feel special. I feel like somebody just gave me some. All right, let me go try this on. And I don't know how I'm going to show you on my feet, but I'm going to try my best, okay? I'll be right back. Y'all, the struggle is real, okay? Okay, y'all, so I done went on and got it on. And don't y'all say that about my feet because I ain't put no lotion on. They ain't got no pedicure. Don't say that about my feet. All right, y'all. Okay. Okay, y'all, if y'all can see, there is J right there. You see the J right there? Oh, my goodness. That is like super cute. Super cute. That's cute, y'all. I'm ashy. Don't say nothing, okay? But let me see if I can bring this down. So super cute down there. It says J. So there it is right there. That's cute, guys. I think that is really, really cute. And then I have my bracelets right here. And I think that's super cute in my bracelet with the hearts. And then the Xfinity bracelet right there. And then, of course, we have... Y'all, why am I out of breath? Me and my fat tail. And then I have the J baby right there. I think this is so cute, so unique. I'm so super excited and I feel special. I really do right now because I don't have this kind of stuff. I can get it, but you know what I'm saying? I never thought to get me a personalized necklace or a personalized bracelet. And of course I will wear this like maybe one at a time. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't wear it together. I could, but I think that this is like so cute. Now, this one I try to always wear now. My sister, my oldest sister, Niecy B, y'all be seeing a comment. She gave me this one for my birthday. I think it was for my birthday. And I try not to take it off because it's sentimental. I love her. She's my baby. Hey, Niecy B. Okay, but anyway, back to the video. So these are really cute, guys. I really like them. You know, and I really like that. So like I said, I'm going to show you all what they have in the on the website. That way you can see it for yourself. You don't, you know, until I put the link down. And if you want to check it, at least you will see for yourself. If, you know, you want to go on, I'm telling you, you will want to go on because it's very affordable. Very nice, y'all. Very nice. This is so dainty. And I don't think I'm going to take this off because I really like it. It's really cute. And it's like girly. I don't need, you know, I don't need to have great big necklaces every day. Let's say every day. Because I love my big necklace, y'all. Don't get it twisted. But also, like I said, it's jessemade and jessemade. That's Jessie, right? Jessemade. So that's what it looks like. Jessemade. I was saying jessemade. I thought it was just made, but it's jessemade. So I apologize, but that is it right there. I will put everything that you would need down in the description bar. And y'all go take a look and check them out because they are very affordable. If you're trying to get yourself nice little pieces and you see that these are really gorgeous pieces right here. If you want some pieces, honey, that's nice. Even my anklet is cute. You know, you have your little name on it. I think that's so unique and so special. So thank you so much, jessemade, for for allowing me to review some of your products. Your products are beautiful. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, you ladies, I'm sorry, I can't talk, y'all. Now, you ladies know, like J Baby always says, J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Make sure y'all go check down below. And thank you so much for watching my video. And I would like for you to subscribe and comment and actually share jessemade and let them know that y'all can get some nice affordable jewelry, okay? Very affordable. Christmas coming up. Okay? So y'all get yourself some of this jewelry. Get some people. Get your family, your mom, your grandmother, your children, you know, if they old enough, you know what I'm saying? Get them a little piece of jewelry with their name on it. I bet you they appreciate it. Okay? Be blessed and not stressed.